So this is what CyberTalk does. It's focusing around, if you have a risk management program, you have a vulnerability management program, maybe asset management program, which a lot of people forget about, or your configuration management program, and other type of programs that may be in place for your organization. It's going to allow you to understand how those programs operate, but at the same time, how do you connect those programs together?
The main nugget for me that he dropped was the fact that with AI, it is the thing of the future. And it's time for us to get on board and get ready for what is about to take place and what is taking place already today.
So I'm going to put this into perspective for a second. I want you to think about your life. If I took a circle and drew around your life, and then on the inside of that circle represented everything that was important to you. Let's say your healthcare, let's say for instance, I don't know, your finances. And on the outer portion of the circle represents cybersecurity. And cybersecurity is called a shield of protection.
It was amazing. I loved Mr. Hart's presentation. He explained the history and the experience behind having an AI, getting into AI and cybersecurity. I just became friends with him on LinkedIn. He was amazing. I learned about that we all need AI. We all need to put a barrier around our information and around ourselves. So thank you, Mr. Hart, for everything you've done.
Which means that your information possibly has been compromised. Someone has grabbed your information and used it for personal gain. But on the bottom of a data breach comes cybersecurity.
See, what CyberTalk does, it teaches you how to channel the cybersecurity landscape. It teaches you how to transition cybersecurity from typical practices over into your working roles and your jobs. This is what CyberTalk does.
Nurses have to take care of patients, but at the same time, nurses have to do so much paperwork. Little piece of information has to be calculated. AI platforms can accelerate that information for the healthcare.
See now, when I was in the United States Navy, I learned one major principle, and that is, if you stay ready, you will always be ready. This equates to being proactive. If you're proactive in what you do when it comes to cybersecurity, you can always stay ahead, because you can beat hackers to the finish line, because this is exactly what the cybersecurity industry is supposed to be doing.
Dr. Hart blew us away. First of all, AI, cybersecurity. He talked about takeaways, about how AI is taking over the workforce and how we can still benefit from having a job, but also incorporating AI so that we make our current jobs easier and those jobs in the future.
Progress. Cybersecurity begins to progress. What's going to happen is certain roles are going to change. Now, that doesn't mean that you're going to be unemployed. It means that your role is changing, and now you have to move over to a different.
Hello everyone, my name is Latisha Yakam, and today I have the privilege to assist to Dewayne Hart conference about cybersecurity and how AI can have an impact on cybersecurity. I really love what was discussed about how humans are responsible about when they're using the AI instead of just letting the AI do everything, protect them and do cybersecurity. I loved it, and I encourage all of you guys to follow Dewayne Hart and to listen what he has to say about cybersecurity.
Corporate America has a chair for you. The only thing is that they don't know who you are. So what you have to do is get through the hurdles. And as you get through those hurdles, that's when you become employed.
Cybersecurity is a puzzle. How do you put that puzzle together? This is exactly what CyberTalk does. So as a business, you're always concerned about your programs. But the other side of a business is for business development. Because many of the CISOs and C-suite professionals and salesmen have to go and represent their companies. And when they represent their companies, the first thing they have to do is to throw a sales pitch in the boardroom. I want to share some information with you. And that is, try to remember that you are only as safe as your mindset.